In this video, we will show you how to replace your rear shock assembly on this Chevy Trailblazer. This is part of your rear suspension located behind your rear wheel. Let's get into it. Okay friend, let's get started on our job. The first thing you need to do is safely raise and support the rear of the vehicle so the wheels are off the ground. Once you've done so, continue on to removing your center cover. We'll use a trim tool for this. After that, remove all 6 of your 19mm lug nuts and then the wheel. Now that we have the wheel off, let's carefully apply a little bit of pressure underneath the differential. We essentially just want to hold it up. Okay, now we can start removing our rear shock from the differential. Along the bottom, you'll find that you have an 18mm headed bolt that comes through from the outside towards the inside with an 18mm nut. Let's remove that. Inspect that mounting hardware as you remove it, replace it as necessary. Now let's follow that rear shock all the way up to the top here for this 18mm headed bolt. As for this one, it has a captured nut, so you don't have to worry about holding it. We will hold on to the shock as we remove this though. Remove your shock from the vehicle. There it is, friend. All right, let's get ready for installation of our brand new rear shock. We'll take this and put the top in position. Align that mounting bolt hole, start the bolt in. Now we are not going to tighten this bolt yet. Make your way down to the bottom. Do the same thing. Now at this point, you may have to raise or lower the rear differential as needed to get this aligned. We'll snug this up and torque it to 63 foot-pounds. Remove the support from underneath your rear differential. Now we can reinstall our wheels, start on all 6 of those lug nuts, and we'll snug them up. Let's get the wheel back on the ground. With the wheel safely on the ground, let's torque these to 103 foot-pounds in a crisscross manner. Torqued. Now we'll reinstall our center cover. On that cover, you should find that you have this area that protrudes out, unlike any other. Look in your wheel. You'll find the area that it fits into. Align that properly and drive this into place. Okay friend, we showed you how to install one side of your rear shock. The process for one side of the vehicle is the exact same thing as the other. Once you've done that, take your vehicle for a road test down to your local alignment shop. Thanks for watching.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.